Bicycle Metals by Ellen B. Cutler. This is an informational text with the essential question, how do we use metals? Presented in 5 chapters. Let's begin. Chapter 1. What are metals? Metals are solids. A solid has a shape of its own. Most solids break instead of bending, but metals are different from most solids. Metals can bend. We can also change the shape of a metal. We can do this by making the metal very hot. Very hot metal turns into a liquid. A liquid becomes the shape of whatever is holding it. Liquid metal can be made into different shapes. Solid metal changes to a liquid when it gets very hot. Chapter 2. Strong and Light. There are many strong metals. Some of them are heavy and some of them are light. What kind of metal would you use to build a bicycle? You would want a strong, light metal to make a bicycle. Strong metals keep a bicycle from bending and breaking, and light metals make a bicycle easier to ride. Light metals make bicycles easier to lift, too. Some metals are light. Some metals are heavy. Chapter 3. Changing what a metal can do. Most of the metals we use are mixtures. Mixtures are made of 2 or more metals. Other mixtures are made of metal and other materials. A mixture made of heavy materials can be light. A mixture made from soft materials can be strong. This horn is made of brass. Brass is a mixture of the metals copper and zinc. Chapter 4. Aluminum and aluminum mixtures. We use metals and metal mixtures every day. Aluminum is one kind of metal that is used a lot. People use aluminum foil to wrap food. Aluminum mixtures are used to make buildings and bicycles. The fins at the top of this building are aluminum. Aluminum also wraps a sandwich. Chapter 5. Making a bicycle frame. One of the main parts of a bicycle is the frame. A bicycle frame needs to be light and strong. Aluminum is light but not very strong. But an aluminum mixture is both light and strong. It is a good material to build a bicycle frame. How do we make a bicycle frame? First, we melt an aluminum mixture and it becomes liquid. Next, we pour the liquid mixture into molds that are shaped like tubes. When the mixture cools, it becomes hard. Then we take the metal out of the molds. It is now shaped like tubes. After that, we cut the tubes into shorter pieces and put the ends of the tubes together. To do this, we melt a different metal. The melted metal is like a strong glue that holds the pieces together. At last, we have a bicycle frame. This worker joins tubes together with melted metals. Our bicycle is not ready yet. We need to add other parts like wheels. Then we can go outside and ride.